Good morning friends, welcome to my life page. Myself Vaibhav Parashar, I am from Noida. Today I am going to tell you about electronics and communication. I will start from my schooling life. I did 10th in PCM and 12th in PCM from Saharanpur, and after that I tried for IITZ but could not succeeded, and after that I did BTech from UPTU in electronics and communication from Lucknow. If I talk about my professional career, I joined as a drive test engineer in 2G, 3G testing as well as data analyst. After that, having around 1 year experience in telecommunications, I joined SL Sham Communications Limited in field of media broadcasting, in which we learned satellite communication. Satellite communication is very interesting field, and I worked there around 3 years. It was so much interesting. I learned there satellite communication and media and broadcasting and downlinking and uplinking and the live broadcast of all videos, like you see the IPL and World Cup and FIFA and CWG or something else. Live events are being uplinking to satellite and downlinking at the company, and then uplinking to the end users through, as you see on the TV. Whatever the medium we are using for communication, by the use of electronics, is the source of meaning of the electronics and communication, in which we learn about how electronic systems work in terms of PCB designing or VLSI or sort of electronics devices, how they are being manufactured, what are the topologies, what are the theorems we use, and how they relate to communicate among the people, and how communication is established. So if we talk about the first semester of electronics and communication, we use mechanics, in which we learn how and from where how much force should be used, what are the topologies, what are the mechanism of the mechanical energy and other subsystems of hardware devices is being used, and you can say that is part of mechanical engineering, but that is very much important in our general life. Professional communication is the root of any professional job. In professional communication, we learn how to talk, what are the basics of the English and part of pronunciation and communication, in which how we tackle the things in our daily life and how much English is important in the current scenario of the field. However, Hindi is our mother language, but English is our professional language. We need to manage the bandwidth, and we can connect to the remote areas till our Kargil, like we do through satellite communication. So I see every lifespan is based on communication, and if we can help people or government or the world by use of communication, I don't think that anything can be better than this. First is, when we talk about electronics devices, electronic components are not being manufactured completely in India, so we just import them. So being imported, they are much costlier and have high cost to implement any project, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, you need much funding to implement your project or your product. Currently I am working as marketing, so I just meet the client and working for tenders and bidding the tenders and working for metro railways like DMRC. Like in this scenario, I used to meet client and process the invoicing and see the obstacles which are going in the project, and also visit on the sites, sometimes with the delegation of the client, and also used to go to meet the OEMs and the vendors. So this is how life is full merged into various fields like vendor development, vendor management, and the marketing and upcoming tenders and the emerging market, focusing on the market share and meeting with the new clients as well to sustain and make new leads. So guys, I think that the information which I have shared with you about my professional career as well as my education about BTech in electronics communication, sharing the details of subjects and my different scenarios of work experience and the expertise. I just believe that it will help you to determine and understand the requirement of the BTech and the exposure of BTech electronics communication and different field of communication, how you can relate, how you can select, how you can work to get your goals and focus towards your success. I wish all of you all the best and keep moving ahead. Thank you.